Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Just so happens I have the old Gerber multi-tool. Not the best thing that I would like to use, but the closest. So, and because it's amateur night at the Apollo, and I I'm just trying to get this damn thing off. So, I just put a little bit of tape on there, Scotch tape at this point, because I don't feel like going and get better tape in my garage. So, hey, that was enough to get it done. So, okay, so we have removed the original. We're gonna put it in our handy little thing right there. Okay. So here is our snaggletooth clip. So now here's where I'm a little concerned about which side to put this guy, because it's gonna be in my pocket. Here's the clip, so it's gonna be on here. So when I pull it out of my pocket and I'm looking at the picture, looks like it rides there. No, it looks like it rides like that. Interesting. Like so. Well, that's with the knife blade out. And so it's interesting. We got to figure this out, because it won't. Well, there's really only one way for this guy to be. It's either like so or like so. So I'm guessing, because if it's like that, you know what? We're going to just try it. And if it doesn't work, we're going to try it the other way, because why not? What in the literal hell can we not? So, figure this one out. So this is going to be interesting. So this is an optional, I think. What does it say? Contents of screw bag. 1 2.5 by 8 for cold steel thumb studs. 2.5 by 8 millimeter for cold steel studs. So all right, 8 millimeter. So That's this guy. Got an Allen key if we wanted to use. So I'm guessing if you use your original, yeah, that's exactly what that is. If you so choose to use your original equipment. So for me, I am guessing this would be like so. We're going to you got a washer on there. And I'm a fan of washers because that is a fail point if it really were to hang up on you. But this big boy, yeah, it's long enough. Okay. So let's see. See what we're gonna see here. Yeah. Okay. See, that's well, yeah. As you see, we're gonna be attaching that guy to this guy. I assume that's there is a significant gap, so I don't think that is going to be. Is this the same? No, that's bigger. Interesting. Let's see one other thing here. Because this guy is not the same size. Sorry if this is boring, but we're on a journey together, right? So see, could you abuse? No, you can't use that. You can't use the same. Interesting. So would you want to use no, I would not want to use that guy. I would like to use the original if possible. If possible. So that looks the same. So it's just got a different, it's got, that length is very long. You know, We're gonna put you away. And we're gonna figure out what the hell to do here. Because we're either gonna have to use you or not. But because this seems, yeah, this goes right on you. See, that's the one they provided. But I don't prefer to use that if at all possible. I would like to use this guy. So maybe I just didn't tighten it. Well, and when you drop it on the floor, problems arise. All right. Okay, let's see if we can do this again and just tighten it down. I think that might have been our issue. So, trying again. Here we go. Cold steel. Code 4. Snaggletooth Tactical. See what I think I didn't do last time. See this barrel, I believe, yeah, that's what it was. See, that goes into the actual blade itself, and we didn't. We didn't account for that. Man, I am dropsy. Okay. So now she's pretty tight. I guess the thing to do is, okay, it sort of worked. The concept of this, see? Now, all right, are we going to blame the device or are we going to blame the knife? We're not going to blame anybody yet. I'm going to loosen the blade of the scotch. Hey! Ha! All right. That is pretty cool. And as we get this knife, I think, dialed in, it's going to be useful. Okay. I you know, it's the first time with this company. Just happened to see them online. I kind of dig it. Very cool. So, this is, as you may hear, my dog's barking. So I'm coming to the end of this, but hope you tolerated this video. I enjoyed kind of muddling through with everyone. One of my first ones. cold steel. Code 4. Pretty fun. Thanks for coming in and watching. Remember, life's hard. Get you a nice knife. Check for, this knife was made in Taiwan, but the steel was made in the USA. I'm big on USA made products, but I like a good deal too. I got a ton of knives made in the USA. We'll talk about them later, but hope everybody stays safe out there. Remember, life's hard. Have a sharp knife and other things that throw sharp things. Take care. Bye now.